Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp due to spam problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search WhatsApp. Next go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option, click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or maybe turn the Wi-Fi off and turn the Bluetooth off and turn it on back. And then if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful when you clear data, all your media and messages and chats will be deleted and the settings and databases, so be careful if you want to clear data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.